Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up a Woocommerce plugin in a WordPress website. In the previous video we have learned how to install Woocommerce plugin, right? And here we are just going from the basics as of now, because for each and every Woocommerce settings we will create dedicated video, right? So that this video length doesn't exceed too much, right? So as you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side WooCommerce option is getting displayed over here. We have just simply moved our cursor on the WooCommerce, and here in the settings tab we will open the settings tab. Here there are too many settings tab showing in the top. First one is general setting, the second one is product settings, and the third one is tax settings, shipping settings, payment setting, accounts and privacy settings, email setting, integration setting, site visibility setting, point of sale settings, and advanced settings are there, right? So we will visit one by one in each, and many of them have the internal sub settings as well, right? So in the general setting you can simply set the address of your shop, and where you are selling your product or services, you can simply select those countries, and in the shipping location you can simply select those locations where you can provide the shipment of your product or service, right? And when we scroll down, there are options of taxes and coupons. You can enable taxes and calculations, as well as you can enable coupons on your website. Here you can simply select the currency, in which currency you just want to display the product price on the front end. You can simply set the currency settings over here. Coming to the product settings, don't worry about I'm not going much in depth right now, because I just want to create a basic video as of now, right? Because I am going to create dedicated video on each types of settings, so that you can easily understand, right? So right now we are into the product settings tab, the second tab, right? And it have 5 sub settings. The first one is general settings, the second one is products inventory setting, the third is downloadable product settings, the fourth one is approved download directories, and the fifth one is advanced, right? Right now we are into the general settings of the product settings, right? And as you can see here, you can simply select the shop page, on which page you just want to showcase all of your products. Next is add to cart behavior. You can simply set the add to cart behavior settings over here. Next is placeholder image, weight, dimension units. You can simply change the dimension unit settings as well. Next is review settings, right? Reviews and rating settings you can keep as per your convenience. Going into the inventory settings of the product settings, here you can set the direction, whether you want WooCommerce to manage your stock or not, what is the hold stock minutes you just want to keep. You can simply enter that particular time duration. Next is notification, when the admin should be notified about the low stock and out of stock. You can simply change those kind of settings over here. The next is downloadable product setting. If you are selling downloadable or digital products, then you can simply change the downloadable settings from here, right? And coming to the approved download directories, these are some directories from which that particular digital file would get downloaded in the user's system, right? Next is the advanced settings. You can change the product attributes, lookup table, and product image matching by SKU settings from here. The next tab is of tax settings, right? And here in the tax settings, again there are 4 sub settings. The first one is tax option, right? Standard rate, zero rate, or standard rates, right? So basically 3 kinds of sub settings are there. The first one is tax option, the second one is the standard rate, and the third one is zero rate. Here you can change the tax options, like prices entered with tax or not, right? Calculate tax based on customer shipping address, billing address, or shop base address. Shipping tax class, like how the tax is going to be calculated. right? Whether you want to round off the tax at subtotal level or like on the total level, whatever the settings you just want to keep, you can simply change the settings according to you. Next is additional tax classes, because sometimes what happens is like each and every product doesn't belongs to the standard tax rates, on a few products might be 18% tax rate is applied, and on few products might be 10% tax rate is applied. So each and every product category belongs to different tax rates, so you can make such settings over here. You can make changes to the display prices in the shop, whether including or excluding tax, or display prices during cart and checkout, or whether including or excluding tax. That particular settings you can do it from here. Like price display suffix, you can simply change from here. Display tax total, that kind of settings you can do it from here. And in the standard rates, you can simply mention the standard rates as per the location. Like for example, in India, like right now GST is applicable, and before GST there was VAT available. VAT particular tax was applied, right? So you can simply create new rows of the standard rates as per the location, and you can simply mention the tax rate what you are going to charge if customer or user belongs from that particular location. Going to the shipping settings, here you can create shipping zones, right? You can divide the country or like into three to four parts, right? Because shipping prices varies on the basis of the location and on the basis of the weight of the product, right? So you can create different zones, so it would be much easier for you to understand like what you should charge to the customer, how much you should charge to the customer for delivering product from that particular region, your shop region to that particular region, right? So for that reason, you can simply create different zones, and what kind of shipping methods are available over here, you can simply set those particular settings from here. Next is shipping settings itself, right? There are four kind of sub settings. The first one we have discussed, that is shipping zones. The second one is shipping settings. The third one is shipping classes, and the fourth one is local pickup settings. So these are the four sub settings in the shipping. So here right now we are into the shipping settings, how shipping should be calculated, and where should be shipping done or not, right? That kind of settings you can make changes from here. You can create different shipping classes on the basis of weight in the classes settings, right? And in the local pickup, if you just are having a different warehouses at different locations, then you can mention those warehouses address from where the customer himself or herself will pick up that particular product, right? The next is payment settings. From here you can simply integrate your payment gateway with your WooCommerce software, right? WooCommerce plugin on the WordPress website, so that you can take the payments from your users, whether on using online or offline methods. Next is accounts and privacy. You can make the account settings changes from here, like whether you just want a user to proceed with the guest checkout, or you just want to create an account first and then purchase the product, or for how long you are going to keep the data of that particular user. You can simply set those kind of settings in here. And coming to the email section, you can also set the email notification when and at what time and which person will receive what kind of emails, right? For example, if anybody orders a new product in your website, then the admin is going to receive the email, and if anybody cancels any order, then also admin is going to receive the email. If you also just want to send the cancelled order email to the customer, like failed order email to the customer, you can make the email notification settings changes from here. Like after that, there is the integration part, right? If you want to integrate any different softwares with the WooCommerce, then you can integrate WooCommerce with other softwares as well, right? Coming to the site visibility, whether you want to live your website right now, or if it is under development, then you can change the status of your website to coming soon or whatever. The next is point of sale setting, right? The store name and the physical address and the phone number and email address and return and refund policy links you can mention simply over here. The next is advanced, like which page you want to assign to the cart page and which page you want to assign to the checkout page, my accounts page, TNC page, right? That kind of settings you can simply do it from here. So this is basically WooCommerce settings that you need to go through before adding products, right? Adding products on a WooCommerce or a WordPress website is a separate part, right? For that we will simply create dedicated videos, right? And coming to the coupon part, that is also somewhat you can say separate thing, right? And apart from that, payment gateway is also separate thing, right? And WooCommerce setup is separate thing. So like you just need to go through each and every setup first, and then only you should start selling particular product or services that you are offering. So before that you just need to set up all these things first, so that customer can be onboarded on your website smoothly. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.